Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile using a Jio SIM. First, ensure your Jio SIM has an active data plan with sufficient high-speed data remaining. A strong, consistent connection prevents frustrating interruptions and keeps you competitive. You need at least 500 megabytes of data per hour for continuous gameplay. Optimizing your network helps provide the best possible gaming environment. Navigate to your phone settings, then to mobile networks and access point names. Create a new APN profile. Set the APN to Gionet and leave most other fields as default, except for app and type, which should be default, supple, XGAP. This configuration often helps stabilize the connection, ensuring data packets transmit efficiently during intense gameplay. Always save your changes and select the new APN. Check your phone's signal bar indicator for at least 3 to 4 bars of strength before starting a game. A stronger signal ensures less packet loss and lower ping. If possible, use a phone that supports dual-band Wi-Fi or carrier aggregation for better data handling. Being in an area with minimal physical obstructions, like near a window, greatly improves your connection reliability. Prevent other applications from hogging your valuable network bandwidth. Close streaming apps, social media, and any ongoing downloads before you begin playing. Many phones offer a dedicated game mode that automatically optimizes resources and restricts background data usage. Activating this feature can provide a smoother, lag-free experience, as your Jio connection is then fully dedicated to the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.